So low greenside spinner is the shot we're going to work on here. One thing that's really important to recognize here is the conditions. So if the greens are a lot softer, or if I'm hitting this shot into an uphill green, it's going to stop very quickly. If the greens are a little firmer, or there's some moisture on the grass, it's still going to have a little bite, but it's going to trickle out after that first or second bounce. It's not going to stop right away. So what we want to do when we hit this shot is we want to feel like we kind of trap that ball and almost hit a little bit of a draw. So we need some forward shaft lean, and we need the club coming slightly from the inside. So when I set up to it, I'm going to set up with my feet close together, my weight on my left side, the handle's going to be a little forward, and when I make this swing, I'm going to feel like the chest makes the golf swing and the club stays low to the ground. So we'll go ahead and hit one here. You guys can see the reaction when it hits the green. These greens are a little firmer. There's a little bit of moisture on the grass because it's early in the morning. So this one should have a little bit of bite, but then it'll still trickle out once it gets on the green. So if I go here and I go there, you can see that it tried to check a little bit, but it's definitely still rolling out. There's not really a shot I can hit here in these conditions that's going to make it spin a lot. The only shot, if I needed to go and get it to stop quickly, I could open up the face and hit it a little bit higher and get that thing to stop a little bit quicker. But I'm not really going to spin it in these conditions because the grass is wet and the green is firm. So once again, we're trying to feel like we hit a little trap draw right there. And on that first bounce, you can see it bounce up in the air, which is the spin, but it's just not going to stop as soon as it lands.